Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Patty. I tend to post mommy, baby, lifestyle, cleaning type of videos. So if you're into that, just keep watching. And today I have a nighttime clean with me / routine. So I usually shy away from these videos because I'm like in my sweatpants and like my weird pajamas. So, but I was like, whatever, this is real life. So yeah, I figured I would just kind of show you my like nightly cleaning routine. It kind of goes back and forth because me and KJ switch off and on between like who does the dishes at night and who cooks. So tonight it is my turn to clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna bring you over here. Actually, I'll just hold it over here. So we actually got one of these Blue Apron like meals from his mom. Like she orders it every once in a while and she just gave us one. So we actually made, which is the seared chicken and coconut peach broth. It actually was really good, but like there's like a lot of steps to it and like a lot of prep. So there is a massive amount of dishes. Plus I still have over there like on the drying rack, I have a bunch to put away, and like I was cooking with oil, so like stuff splattered all over like the stove top, so everything needs a good clean. Plus I was using chicken, and kind of anytime I have like meat out on the counter, like even if it's on a cutting board, like I still like to disinfect the area. So yeah, let's get into this. Always do laundry at night. Sometimes like I'll start the laundry or I'll have to finish up the laundry because KJ needs like work clothes or something. But tonight all of like the washing is done, but all the stuff needs to get put away. I've been kind of avoiding it the last, I think like 2 nights. So yes, I'm gonna get it done tonight. So let's take care of that. our nightly routine. One of us will usually do the dishes. It's my turn tonight. So, and like I said, since we made that like prepared meal, like there was so many steps, like so much like prepare work, like there was just stuff all over the place. So, and like I said, like the oil was like splattering everywhere, so I really feel like I had to like clean the countertops and clean the stove. Like, I don't do that every night, but if it's like we made a meal and it makes a mess, I like to make sure I clean it up so that like you don't come into like a really dirty kitchen in the morning. And then as you saw at the end, pretty much the main reason I wanted to get that laundry folded is because I had no like dish towels or microfiber cloths left, and that's what I usually use to clean and dry things with, so I kind of needed to get that done. But like I said, I don't always do laundry. I kind of just do it as I see fits. So if like we need stuff or KJ needs work clothes, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that is it for the video. I'm gonna finish my donut. I've been like chomping on this donut all day long, like ridiculous. But I'm more of like a like plain donut type of person. Like I don't like ones with like crazy stuff all over them. So I think that's why like it was just too much to handle for me. So I'm gonna finish my donut and then probably do some editing because I'm boring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this nighttime cleaning routine. So make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below if you would like me to do more cleaning types of videos, or if you have any suggestions of other cleaning videos you would like me to do. So yeah, thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.